Good morning, students. Today, we will learn about picture description. Pictures tell stories. Every picture shows something happening. It may show people, places, actions, or feelings. Second, we must look carefully. We observe what is happening in the picture and then write our ideas in sentences. Third, we become like detectives. We look for small clues and details in the picture to understand the whole story. Students, when we describe a picture, we look at three important things: who, what, and the scene. First, who. Ask yourself, who is in the picture? It could be a boy, a girl, a teacher, a family, or animals. Second, what. Now think, what are they doing? Maybe they are playing, eating, studying, running, or talking. Third, scene setting. This means where the picture is taking place. Is it in a park, classroom, market, playground, or at home? Look at the background to understand the place. Students, now it is your turn to practice. Look carefully at the picture provided. Think about who is in the picture, what they are doing, and where the scene is happening. Then open your rough notebook and write 5 sentences about the picture. Try to use clear and simple sentences